Okay, let's break down a practice SAT reading and writing question that asks us which finding would most directly support this claim. Again, these are very common types of questions on the SAT. A few things we want to make sure we do is one, identify the key parts of a given claim. We also want to make sure we match the correct answer choice to the entire claim, not just part of it, but the entire claim. We also want to practice eliminating incorrect answers or partially relevant or off-topic answers. And a lot of times we want to look for certain cause and effect relationships, or if there's a compare and contrast, but we're looking for some sort of theme in these types of questions. So when we look at this one, it tells us that a science teacher claims that planting marigolds alongside tomato plants reduces pest damage. Marigolds are known to produce certain compounds that repel insects, and gardeners often plant them near vegetables. The teacher believes this combination will lead to healthier tomato plants and bigger harvests. So again, let's go ahead and try to break down which answer choices are incorrect and then ultimately navigate to the correct answer. But here, again, the claim that is really being made here is that planting marigolds next to tomatoes results in fewer pests, which ultimately results in healthier plants and bigger harvests. So to support this, we need evidence to show reduced pest damage and better tomato growth when marigolds are planted nearby. So let's break down some of these answer choices. And first, when we look at B, it says marigolds have a bright yellow color that attracts beneficial pollinators. This might help tomatoes indirectly, but it doesn't mention pests or tomato yields. So this is just irrelevant to the claim that's being made here. C, tomato plants near marigolds grow at the same rate as tomato plants without marigolds. This doesn't show any difference, so it fails to also support the claim. And D is also incorrect because this is about marigold hardiness, not pest reduction or tomato harvest. So again, this one's off topic. So that's why A is the best answer choice, because it says tomato plants near marigolds have fewer insect holes and higher yields than tomato plants grown alone. So it mentions fewer insect holes, which shows pest reduction, which matches the first part of this claim, and higher yields, which shows that healthier plants with bigger harvests matches the second part of this claim, which means A directly supports